today, this is the continuation of my paper rose bouquets. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy my presentation. This is part 2 and we are going to get started right now. And guys, it was also used as a wedding function, so stick around.
These are all the roses I'm going to be using. So I have some small ones. And they look so real. I have two in these containers. They have a lovely basket weave on it. It's like an off-white, almost like cream. And these are my paper flowers. And what I will be using is this water bottle. So I'm going to be cutting the water bottle just about by the rim here, and inserting it upside down into the basket. So let me set up to cut this piece. I will be using my knife, my box cutter, to cut that right on that line, the rim. And I'll finish off using a scissors. If you're hearing that outside, that's really falling right now. So this is the part that I'll be using and inserting down into the container. But I want to puncture some holes in the spaces so that I can fit the paper flowers into. So what I'm doing is just puncturing a hole, and this is to take the first piece in the center. That's that. And I will use my glue gun and adhere the piece to the center. So I deal with this just like if I was doing a real floral arrangement. Position it around. My second hole I will just place right here. So I'm making a hole right here, enough for the paper flowers to go into. So I'll just put some glue on a piece and set it in here, and I'm still going to adhere some glue right to the top here, so the flowers will hold one on top of the other, because I would not be sticking anything to the actual container or plant holder that I'm using. So I'll do this on all these sides.
So guys, I will just continue filling in all the roses in all the areas that I see need them, and I'm building just like a normal floral arrangement. So the front is going to be cascading downwards and the sides are going to be shorter, and this is to be used at a wedding function, and then of course I'm going to have it displayed at my home. So guys, just continue doing this like you saw on the little clip. You can use Oasis, it is up to you. You can use any item you want, or you can stick it directly to your containers. I want to be able to pull it out and put it back in, so I opt to do it like this. So guys, just continue like I said, filling in, and you can see how this is very easy. And I always watch paper flowers just like natural flowers, because of how it looks, the curves, you can get it to shape anyhow you want. And this is how it's shaping up, guys. I'm doing 2 of these. It's to be flanked on either side of the bridal table, and I will just finish my cascade down the center. So I love bringing a new vamp to paper flowers, and I hope you are enjoying it. I have gotten so many lovely response from my subscribers and viewers. Guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I am glad you are enjoying this. So I got 1 or 2 asking about me showing this, so hence the reason I had to do it quicker than later. So guys, this is how they are looking. I did glitter them just with the big glitter flakes. I love using the big glitter flakes, and it turned out lovely. I am going to spray paint the container though gold for the wedding, so it's not going to be remaining white. So this is how it looks. I hope you enjoy this piece, guys. Do try it. I would love to see pics. You can send it to me on my Instagram page. And this is how it looked at the wedding function. So guys, thanks for being with me, and I appreciate your love, and see you soon, guys. Bye for now.